I was wanting to explain again how I solved the math problem. Um, I think I gave the answer, but I didn't show the work for it. Um, so I really want a second chance to do that. Um, so you got 814, 114, and 1114, which you're solving for 1114, which if you added the other numbers, you'd get either 10, which is 10, which would just be 1, or 2, or 1, which if you added that, that would be 2. So 2 literally becoming 1. But you can't do that with the 6, though. But but if you go back and you find the 10 again and the 1, I know, I kind of think I meant to take out the 1s so that you get 8, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4. Which that makes so much sense because I was supposed to be looking for those numbers. But 84 to 24, that's 60 years. Which I remember what you said, and that's supposed to be 60 years without somebody, or 60 years dead. Um, 60 years to not be with somebody you really wanted to be with and to share your life with. But then, I don't know if you wanted me to do this, but you can add the 24 to the 84 and get 108. Which, if you take the 0 out, that's 18. Which you could divide that by 9, the sum of its parts. Or you can take the 108 and divide it by 2, and that leaves you with 5, 4, 5, 4. So 9, 9. Um, I don't know, that's because of something I wrote down, something I thought happened, but I don't know. But then it is a little kind of upsetting to kind of get faced with the fact that I was thinking about taking my life, but no, I kind of have to realize what I was really trying to do, like to try to get out of it, to not want to do that. But I mean, it works if you can really see it, and if you get upset by it, I mean, sure, but I mean, you can fall back into that though. But if you go and you add some more, you have 8, 4. That's 12, 5, 6. I think I meant to take the 12 and add it to 3. So 3, 5. You hide the 3, 5, which would be 8. That's how you solve it with the 6. Would that be giving 80 years back? That's a sincere question. Like taking 80 years away from somebody, would you be giving 80 years back? But you left with 8, 6. Take away the 8 from the 5. You're left with 5, 5. No, wait. 5, 6. You're left with 5, 6. And that gets you to 2. And then going back to the answer 2, 14. It's 2 7s. No, because back with the 84, 14, 24, the answer was already there, 14. So that's the sum of its parts. For 14, it's 2 7s. You hide this 8, and you're solving for 2. What could just be 2? And 2, 6. I think I got it, but I just want you to be happy. I mean, it's also not trying to claim to be your 7 2, though, without you telling me. But I want you to be happy. I love you.